Hi everyone, welcome to the Master Effects YouTube channel. So today I am going to begin the After Effects tutorial series. First I want to open the After Effects software. I am using After Effects CC 2017 version. We can do lot of things in After Effects, video editing and animation creating, logo animations like that. First we have to start a new project. So there is our workspace. This is the project window and also effects control window is there. The composition window is here and the video timeline is here, and also there are a lot of effects and presets uh, here. We can customize our videos in large variety with these effects and presets. We can customize these panels like this. So this is our project window. So we can open all our footages to this window. So let's take a look at how to open a footage to this project window. We can open a file to this project window by file, import file or multiple files. I'm going to open Master Effects first video. The file imported, and also we can add files to this by dragging. Go to the file and drag it to here. The file was imported. Let's take a look at how to open this project to our timeline. This is our timeline, so we have to make a new composition to make this video. So click here to make a new composition. You can change width and height here, and change the name, composition name here, and the time here. I gave it to 20 seconds and background color as black, and frame width and height as this, and hit OK button. And also we can open a new composition by go to the composition, new composition, the same window. So I'll close that. So this is our timeline and composition 1. So drag the footage to this timeline, and you can see this in the composition window. So we can customize the size of the video by clicking here. Choose fit to fit the screen. First look at how to add a logo to this video. Let's open my Master Effects YouTube channel logo. Drag it to the project window. The file imported, and drag it to the timeline. And you can't see the logo because it is behind the video. So we have to push off this to in front of the video, so we can appear this logo. So we can customize the size of the logo by clicking the corner of the video and dragging it up. We should use shift plus click. Suitable, and we can drag this like that. So you can put it anywhere in your screen. I place it here. Also, we can change the position by click on the Master Effects logo and hit the P button on your keyboard. You can see the position. So you can change the X and Y, horizontal and vertical positions here by dragging like this. And also we can change the opacity of this logo by clicking T, and the opacity comes, and you can change the opacity of the layer like this. And also we can add a keyframe to this logo to animate this, to move this on the screen with the time. So we can go to the position by pressing P and click on this clock button once, and go to few keyframes here, and go to few keyframes before or after, and drag it here like this. Hold shift, and you can see we can play this by hitting space. So you saw that the logo is moving. So we can make a animation like this. So my first tutorial, it was about how to add the logo and some footage to the working space, and how to animate it. And I hope to present my another After Effects tutorial series in future. So stay tuned with Master Effects to have a great knowledge on After Effects. Thank you.